And God said, let the waters be full of living things, and let birds be in flight over the earth under the arch of heaven. And God made great sea beasts and every sort of living and moving thing with which the waters were full, and every sort of winged bird. And God saw that it was good. And God gave them his blessing, saying, be fertile and have increase, making all the waters of the seas full, and let the birds be increased in the earth. And there was evening, and there was morning, the fifth day. And God said, let the earth give birth to all sorts of living things, cattle and all things moving on the earth, and beasts of the earth after their sort. And it was so.